Today, we will be bringing you news from all across the world. In the program's first segment, we will be focusing on how the diplomatic front continues to get busier for Pakistan, because according to some credible news reports, Pakistan and China are pushing to replace SAARC with a new regional bloc. This is a very, very important and a very interesting development considering the events that have happened in the region in the last few months. And after that, we will be also discussing how the Indian defense attaché who is posted in Indonesia accepted that India suffered massive losses after they tirade against Pakistan and after they tried to actually weaken Pakistan, but Pakistan's clinical response ended up completely red-facing India in front of the entire world. So let's get to the detail of our first segment. Tonight, we turn to a major diplomatic shift in South Asia, one that could actually redraw the region's power map. And the story is that Pakistan and China, who are all-weather friends, are quietly preparing to bury SAARC and build something new, replacing the old so-called sluggish forum that barely delivers. And the major reason has been India's involvement in SAARC and how India has always tried to actually sabotage whatever cooperation the SAARC could have actually done. And India's role is the reason why the SAARC has delivered nothing so far. And according to credible diplomatic